Okay, exercise 1, part A. Good, that's the whole. What about B? Good. And C. Bella. Great. All right, let's set it up. Part over whole is our template. All right, let's decide what numbers go where. The 120. Where are you going to put that, Smiles? Mm-hmm. What about the percent, which is 15? Tom. And what you're trying to find is that. Can you make a connection at this point? Can you make a connection anywhere? Antonio.
15 and 100, they could be made into a single factor.
Okay, as is right now, you cannot make a connection. 15 times no number, no whole number will go in evenly to 100. You can't connect between 1 and 120, so you got to scale down. Go ahead.
We divide it by 3. I mean, by 5.
By 5, yup.
And
that's going to make?
That's going to make, 3 tenths? Make 3 twentieths.
Yes, 3 over 20. And now you can connect your 20 times what makes 120?
6.
And 3 times 6 is?
Is 90. What? 98? Oh, wait.
I lost you there.
3 times 6.
3 times 6.
3 times 6. All right.
Well, tell us now.
All right. 3 times 6 is, why do I not like 18?
$18 is what's saved. Okay.
I know, I just put 6 in the same.
$18 is what's saved. Okay? I want you to skip this for right now. So I want to go back and revisit that discount chart, that equivalency ratio table that we did yesterday.
I already did that.
Okay. If you can do this, like I said, if you can do this discount table that I'm going to show you, then when you go to do lesson 28, which we're going to do tomorrow.
You are?
Yeah, I'm going to do it tomorrow just because I want to get it done before the holidays so you don't forget all this stuff. So if you can kind of get this idea of the table down in your head, it's going to make lesson 28 so much easier for you. So let me set it up first, and then I want you to draw it out. I think there's room at the bottom of the page for you to do this, so that's where I'm going to do it. Let me draw it all out so you know how to space it out on your page, and then after I'm done drawing it, you can do it. All right, the table is now done. If you could just copy that down at the bottom of the page, and then I'll show you how we're going to use it. I want you to make believe that you haven't done the first part yet. Okay, make believe you have not figured out the $18 saved yet. All I want you to do right now is there's 2 numbers in the word problem. You have the 125, 120, and you have 15%. Read the question again carefully, and then I'm going to call you up, and I want you to put where you think 15 and 120 goes in this chart. Look it over again, and I'll call somebody up. And I'll tell you what, we'll start with the 120. So I think that's the easiest way to start. Where does 120 go? Jack, come on up. Raise your hand if you agree. Absolutely, that's the original price. Okay? Here, Jack. Rip off a ticket for yourself. Now, the 15, in this case 15%, I need you to really think before you come up. Liam, come on up. Raise your hand if you agree. All right, we're off and running. Very good. Take a ticket for yourself. If that's all you know, you can do these other 4 blocks without even having to do TRP. Watch. This number right here, lower right, tags. Come on up and put it in. Why 100? You're right. Why 100 though? Why'd you decide that? Put it in while you're thinking. He's right. Can anybody explain why it's 100? Emma.
Because for the 15%, it always means out of 100. The percent means out of 100.
Or what's the other way to look at it? Alex. Okay, that right. It's your 15 out of your 100. But what is this representing? Good. The whole. 100% of the whole. Okay. Next number. What goes here? Need somebody to come up and do this box right here. Charlie, come on up. Agree? How'd you do it?
Because 100% minus the 15% that he saved would be 85% that he paid.
That's the percent paid. Now, 85. Okay. Here we go. Got to figure out the 2 key boxes. I want you to do this and make believe you haven't done the TRP yet, though. I'm a little worried. You want to do that first? Do you want to do this first? All right, we'll do saved first. Bridge, come on up. How did you know it's $18?
Well, the TRP, so.
See, look, if you're going to connect, you can't make a connection this way. Can't really make a connection this way. But we did scale this down, did we not? When we scaled this down, what did this number become? Just say it if you remember. 3. What did this number become? And so then if you multiply by 6, you got your 18. Did I give you a ticket? Bridge, did I give you one? Okay, finally, the hard part's done.
Yay!
I got
What goes here?
I'm right here.
Z.
Don't get it wrong.
Betrayal.
Yeah, do green. I should have kept this color coordinated, but it's okay.
Wrong.
So quick to judge. Well, let's see if he's wrong. This plus this has to add up to this. Does 18 and 102 add up to 120? And that technically answers this question. This is how much the shopper is paying, otherwise known as the sales price. If you can do this, you'll be able to do lesson 28. If you're still struggling with it, don't worry, we're going to practice it. I got one more to show you, and then I'm going to set you free. I want you to go to this page right here, which is number 9. It looks busy, and it looks harder than it is, but it's not. So this is a department store that has various discounts depending on what department you're in. All the shirts have a 25% discount, the pants 30%, the shoes 15%, and so forth. So we're going to do the shirt first, and they give you a little workspace at the bottom. Set up your part to whole template, and let's start breaking down the numbers. The $44, is that the part, the whole, or the percent? Krista. Yes, this is the whole. That's the original price. So that's going to go at the bottom. What's the discount? Ryan,
25%.
where'd you find it?
Above the 44.
Right, it is located underneath the item. That's the part that sometimes the students don't say. And we have to find the amount of the discount or the part. Can you make a connection? Okay, dog.
25 times 4.
Yes. And therefore, what times 4 makes 44? $11 is what the discount is. Kayla, what do you have to do to 44 and 11 in order to get the cost after? You subtract. And that's going to make 33. Got it? All right, let me tell you what the different groups are doing. All right. All right, unsalted. That's your regular group. Like peanuts. Unsalted nuts. You guys are going to do listen now, hold on. All of a sudden I'm lost. Oh, okay. Unsalted. You can do 7, 8, and 9. That's the chart. Salted. Salted. Listen, even though there's an advanced set for you, I do want you to do number 9 just to get the practice in. And then 10. And ready? Page 11 gets 4 stars because nobody's been able to do it today. And I will tell you, it is not easy. Okay? I don't even have the answer key for number 11 up because I want to see it. And if you get it right, I'll give you something for it. Okay? After everything is done, yes. But look, guys, all the answer keys are hanging up with the exception of page number 11. So I need you to check your work along the way. All right, group up and go.